Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Hopefully you all are doing great in your life. Today I'm sharing some of the ways which really worked out for me to stay positive in these COVID-19 pandemic days. So the first and foremost thing which I will highly recommend is to start your day a little early. When we wake up a little early and observe the beauty of early morning nature outside our house, this clearly gives a positive message to start a fresh day with fresh energy and make us believe that after every dark night there is always a beautiful morning outside for us. So, if possible for you, try to start your day with a detox drink. A detox drink helps to reset the body systems and gives you energy in the morning and act as a metabolism booster as well. And guys, the detox drink which really works for me is adding some cinnamon powder in a glass plus adding some honey and some lemon juice, and at the end add some lukewarm water. Mix it all together and this is a great drink to have in the morning. Exercise and eating healthy is very important. Whenever you can manage some time for yourself. Try to make an exercise routine for every day. You don't have to become an exercise expert or a pro in this. Simply, if you keep walking to and fro in your house continuously for half an hour, this is also a great exercise. Also, there are a lot of exercise tutorials which are there on YouTube nowadays. Apart from exercise, if you will try to eat healthy at least for Monday to Friday in a week, this will help you not to gain unnecessary unhealthy weight during these COVID-19 pandemic days. Light up some candles and clean your space. We all know that light is a form of energy, so whenever we are feeling a little low or whenever we are feeling a little negative, just try to clean up your space. Try to clean your kitchen, your house, your living area, your bedroom. Just clean up and some of your space will be there which you will love, and light up some candles of your favorite colors or scent in that place, and then you guys see the difference. Create your favorite spot or a place in your house. There was a time that we were so busy in our lives we hardly had time to sit back and relax. But when you have got this time to do so, then please enjoy doing it. Take your favorite blanket, a mug of tea or a coffee, and a good book or a magazine or your favorite TV series, and just relax sometimes and do nothing else. Trust me, these days will also pass and these days will become a memory one day. Avoid isolation but follow social distancing. We all are following social distancing to fight the spread of this deadly coronavirus, but that does not mean that you are isolated from the outside world. Make use of technology and be in touch with your friends, family, and loved ones. Trust me, it does make a positive difference in your life. Drink more water and get more sleep. Take care of yourself to take care of your family. Drinking 2-3 liters of water a day and sleeping at least 8 hours a day will help you to supercharge your immune system and will give you positive energy levels throughout your day. Try to be safe. Follow all the guidelines which your city, state, or country authorities are telling you to do, like washing hands frequently, using masks, gloves, or hand sanitizers, follow social distancing, and avoid any mass gatherings. Try to spend time with your family, bond with your family. These are the tough times for everyone in this world. But instead of criticizing these COVID-19 pandemic negative days, if we focus on how families are spending time together, cooking together, eating together, taking time for hobbies, then definitely these COVID-19 gloomy pandemic days will pass and we all will be again very much prosperous, happy, and enjoying our lives outside in this world. Keep yourself busy and find something to do. Try to read a book or a magazine, even write a book or a magazine if there is a writer inside you. Play games, clean up the house, cook a meal, take up a hobby. You can declutter anything from the house like old toys, old clothes, documents, etc. Or do anything else that has accumulated over the other months of the year. This is the time if you have utilized this time. Brighten up and let the daylight and the fresh air come inside your house. If weather is getting good these days, then try to open windows for some time to let the fresh air and fresh energy come from outside to your house. This will bring a positive environment to your house. Avoid highly processed or sugary food items. These kind of food items will increase your weight gain chances and put negative effect on your mood. Try to eat healthy as much as you can. Keep in touch with your friends, family, and loved ones. Try to stay in touch with your friends and family through your mobile phones, through social media or technology. Don't forget to ask them, are they doing safe or sound or not? Remember, everybody, we all are in this together. Avoid overdoing alcohol and caffeine. These kind of things should be taken in moderation, and overdoing alcohol and caffeine to our body makes us tired and leads to exhaustion and negativity. Organize your closet and your clothes. This will help you to keep your mind occupied. In fact, you can iron some clothes which needs to be ironed and keep them ahead of the time when you need them. So all these things make you more organized and more systematic. Try to enhance your cooking. Everyone is doing it nowadays, and of course when families are together spending time together, then this is a perfect time to learn new recipes. I will personally suggest to go for rationing recipes with less ingredients needed. Try to wear something which makes you feel good. If you are in your nightgowns or your pajamas the whole day, you may sometimes feel lazy and sleepy. Try to wear something which makes you feel happy and active inside out. Personally speaking, my favorite clothes are which make me feel active whole day is comfortable t-shirt with a pair of comfortable legging or a shorts. Try it, maybe this trick can work for you as well. Guys, try to take it easy. We all are in this difficult situation of COVID-19 pandemic together. No one knows when things will get back to normal. No one knows what is going to happen in future. So I will suggest, don't find answers of all your questions all of now. Try to just go with the flow. Try to have a difference in weekdays and weekends. We all are staying home from so many months, so life can become monotonous sometimes. So try to follow a weekdays and weekend routine different. Even if we are staying home, example, you can have a cooking special recipe on weekend, doing a barbecue in the weekend, and playing with your kids, spending time more with your family, and all these things definitely play a very important role for positive environment of our mind. Please don't waste food. There are so many poor people in this world who are fighting for a plate of food, so please don't waste food, become generous. So a very stressful thing for parents nowadays is, what about kids' activities? If you have kids, try to engage them. Please don't stress about how other parents are able to do so many activities with their kids while you are not able to do so. So please avoid all social media updates about all these things. Trust me, use your own skills, your own ways, your own creativities, and you can repeat all the activities which you did as a child in your childhood days, because there is no old fashion or a new fashion days for education. So engage your kids the way you can. Kids are quick learner, guys. They will learn no matter what, and if your kids are small like mine, then it will be little more difficult and challenging. So just carry on and go with the flow, guys. So be thankful for what you have. Instead of criticizing, just try to pray to God and be thankful for the things God has given you. Everything in this world will be normal again, and just pray to God and think positive. Please get out of 24/7 news cycle. Listening to coronavirus news the whole day will make your mind more anxious. So listening to morning, evening news from authentic sources is more than enough for keeping yourself updated in this COVID-19 pandemic. Take one day at a time, live in present, go with the flow, take one day at a time, and don't worry too much for the future. Sometimes try to enjoy cooking by your spouse. This applies for all the moms or ladies. So we cook for the whole week, but we cannot go out to eat even on the weekends. In that way, husband's cooking for you is a great idea on the weekends. Trust me, it's a great feeling making you relax and little break from your regular cooking routine. In case your spouse does not know cooking, that's perfectly okay. You both can work together and make a complete recipe. So guys, I have come to the end of this video and I have worked really hard to present my positive thoughts and views in the form of this beautiful video. And positive energy always increase when we share it with others. So please share this video with your near and dear ones. If you think this video is worth watching, then please subscribe to my channel. And remember, we all are in this together. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye. Take care and thank you so much for watching.